Nostrum Nu 28, Frankfurt Tower, QNH 1021, cleared ILS runway 25 left approach. Cleared ILS runway 25 left approach. Air Nostrum Nu 28.
1000.
Landing checklists. Landing gear down. Flaps
Air
set.
Nostrum Nu 28, wind tree
Landing
47
lights.
at 4, cleared to land
Landing
runway
checklist
25
completed.
left. Cleared to land runway 25 left. Air Nostrum Nu 28.
Five hundred. 400. 300. 200.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Spoilers deployed. $60 knots. Flaps up.
Air Nostrum Nu 28, exit runway when able. Air Nostrum Nu 28, contact ground on 121.655.